So hello students, good afternoon everyone. This is Gurpal Singh, your accountancy and economics teacher. Okay, so here on the screen you are watching that we are going to solve question number 10 from the cash book from NCERT book. So students, please open your NCERT books. I am going to explain question number 10. Okay, so please have your books please. So see what question is saying.
See, beta, question number 10 is saying Mr. Ruchi Trader started business with their cash book with the following balances on July 17. Cash in hand was 1354 and bank balance 7560. He had the following transaction in the month of July. Okay, she was having transaction in the month of July. So whatever the transaction, the first transaction was cash sales 2300, purchases 6000, cash sales 10,000, paid trade expense 700, sales goods received check 20,000, purchase motor car and paid by check 15,000. Okay, so you know very well in cash book beta whatever receipts that all are recorded in the debit side of cash book, whereas whatever payments occurred in the business during that period that are recorded in the credit side. Okay, so see, I have explained the question. Cash sale is a receipt. What is cash sale is our receipts. What is cash sales? It is a receipts. Okay, so R will be there. This is our payment. Okay, it is recorded in the credit side, it is recorded in debit side. Cash sales, it is receipt, that is why it is recorded in debit side. And this is expense, paid trade expense, it is our expense, it is recorded in credit side. Cash is going. Sold goods, received check, deposited in the same day, that is our income, it is recorded in debit side. Purchase motor car, it is our expense, so it is recorded in the credit side beta. Okay, so see, remaining in the part of the question, on 20th, question is saying on 20th on 20th July, check received from Manisha deposited into bank on the same day. Okay, after that of 10,000, then after that on this is also our, what is our, this is also our income, that is why it is recorded in debit side. Cash held, it is also recorded in debit side. Manisha's check returned dishonored, that is why it recorded in credit side. Why beta? Because when check is dishonored na, so it means that our bank balance will be debited, that amount will be deducted from our bank account, that is our payment, that is why we have to record it in credit side. After that, paid rent, it is our expense, so we have to record it in credit side. Okay, then after that on 29, telephone expense, it is also our expense, that is why it is rent is our expense, so it is recorded in credit side. Telephone expense is our expense, so it is also recorded in credit side. Cash withdrawn for personal use, it is also expense, so it is also recorded in the credit side. Okay, so let's come to the solution. Here I have prepared solution, so everything I will explain with it. So see, uh, first of all, we will start the format. Prepare a format. You have to write cash book, books of Mr. MS Ruchi Trader, cash book, debit side, credit side. The columns are date, particular, ledger folio, cash, bank. Then after that, date, particular, ledger folio, cash, and bank beta. Okay, so now see, two things are appeared in the narration at the top, that cash in hand was 1354, that is why I have written here 1354. Bank balance was 7560, that is why here I have written 7560. Okay, so this thing is clear. Now on 3rd of December, goods were sold for 2300 beta, that is why here I will have written 2300. Okay, then after that in the question it is July, it is December, so don't worry, you, if it is July, so you have to write it July. You can do it, the correction, it is by July, that it confirm first. Okay, uh, हाँ बेटा, it is July. Okay, so here you have to write July. Okay, in the month of December you can use July. Okay, or if you are using December, then it also no problem. Okay, so in the question you have to do it correction, that is month December. Okay, so after that, now on 5th of December there were purchases, that is purchases is our expense, so here you have to record it in credit side. I already told you in the explanation. After that, on December 8th, this is our income, that is why we have to record in debit side. Then after, on 12th December, it is our expense, so record it credit side. Okay, then after that, motor car was purchased and paid by check, that is why I have written here in credit side. On 15 there was sales, and sales was by check, and check was deposited into bank, that is why here I have recorded in the bank column. After that, on 20th, money received from Manisha and deposited into bank, that is why here 10,000 by Manisha. On 25th, check was dishonored, that is why you have to write in credit side in the bank column, because bank column will be reduced. Okay, then after that, on 22nd, first 22nd will come, here cash sales, that is why here we have to write 7,000 in cash column. Okay, after that, rent was paid 2000, that is our expense, so here I will write 2000. Okay, then after that, telephone expenses are expense, but it is paid by check, so we have to write it in the bank column. Then after that, there is drawing is also our expense, but it is paid in cash, so we have to write it in cash column. Okay, so now that's the time to balance both the sides. So sum up both the sides, we have observed that the sum of this debit side is more than the credit side. Okay, so the sum of debit side is 20,654, whereas the sum of credit side is 4,700. Okay, so from 20,654 we will subtract 4,700. Okay, then you will get 459 1594, then it will be our answer. Okay beta, now next, in the come to the bank column, the sum of the this bank column will be 37,560, 20, 33, 37,560. So I think the credit side is greater, so we have to sum up the less, credit side is less, so we will sum up now credit side. So the sum of credit side is 6 56 21 31 1,500. Okay, now I will subtract it, 0 6 0 6 6,060, it is our answer I have written here. Okay, so now we have to write the summation of both the sides, which is greater in both the sides. Okay, in हिंदी आई एम एक्सप्लेनिंग, जो भी टोटल साथ आया है वी हैव टू रिकॉर्ड इट बोथ द साइड्स, और टोटल लिखने के बाद वी हैव टू डबल लाइन इट. ओके, वी विल double line it. Okay, so now I think you have understand this question, so please note down this question, and if any kind of problem will be there, so you can mention your problem in the comment section. Thank you students, bye.